I'm Rick Corey. If you'd like more information about the car you just clicked on at the end of the video, call my friends at Ferguson. Remember, no one beats a Ferguson deal.
Ferguson Superstore.
The 2017 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, navigation system, stability control, backup camera, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, cruise control, climate control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.